Okay, y'all, so we got the red beans and rice all done. We got the corn on the cob, those pork chops. Look at the way them babies came out with that garlic bread. And then we also got our hush puppies. So I'm getting ready to fix CJ his meal first. I'll grab one of these. But actually, he probably wants 2 of the pork chops. Or he can come back and get one. Get some of these hush puppies. 2 for him. Then get some of this garlic toast. And some of the red beans and rice. And I don't know if he gonna eat this corn. He probably ain't gonna eat the corn, but I don't know. We'll see. If he don't, you can just put it back. I'm gonna put one up there anyway. You probably want a lot of this red beans and rice. And corn on the cob, saturated in that butter. That up there, and give him another pork chop. Okay, and so there you have it. Another Travia's Creations. My mommy. Look at those pork chops. Y'all can see. And the light, my lighting is not that great, guys. So, yes. Okay. CJ, your food is done. Okay. All right, y'all. I'll holler to the next time we have another one of these creations, which will be on a daily basis, probably because I cook every day. So thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful Wednesday. And let me know again in the comment sections what y'all want me to cook next. Okay? Don't forget, sharing is caring. Subscribe. Hit that notification, that little bell. And until the next time, peace out.